Okay, so another idea for creating depth and perspective is by using really simple shapes. And let me show you what I mean. So in this example, we will start out with our layered images here again, right? We have our characters, our elements, and then we have this piece of wood right here, which is what we used earlier, which is really just was originally a straight-on piece of wood. Then we just skewed it a little bit to create that desk effect. So we've already kind of transformed one object into another. But we want to add now, right? This is a good looking desk. It works. But we want to add a little bit of a cutout right here. A cutout, so like a lot of those larger workstations have that area where you can kind of slide forward a little bit, more of a comfortable working area. So we can do that really easily by adding just nothing but a simple black shape. Kind of like in the cartoons, right? Where one character draws that shape and the black shape in the ground and the other character falls through it. So I'm just going to make a simple oval, and I'll change this oval, say to black. And as long as this shape now is below the woman, check that out. We have a hole in the desk, or really more of just sort of a semicircle cutout, right? So there we go. So we actually created that really nice effect for the desk where she can kind of move forward and, you know, slide up into her workstation area. Now we can also take this, maybe that's a little bit big, but, you know, comfortable desk. Now we can also modify this by modifying the transparency, right? So if I bring it down maybe to 50, 50 might be too low, 60 or 70, something just to show a little bit of that wood grain behind it, right? So the front of the desk, the wood would still continue down, and we want to have something just to show a little bit of that wood through it. So combined with our other elements, and of course once you sort of slide her in, maybe down there is a little better, you really get that effect. So it's a nice way to use a simple shape to create a realistic cutout in your elements to add additional perspective and depth to your e-learning elements.